Welcome back to DoorKing Tech Tips. Today we will be looking at how to add a Do Not Call feature to your DKS 2112 unit. Let's get started by logging into your account at dksti.com. Now that you have logged in, click on Manage Systems to view your 2112 unit. The Do Not Call feature on the 2112 unit is per resident, so we will need to click the Edit button under Residents to bring up the resident list. With your resident list now open, click the Edit button for the resident that you want to add the Do Not Call feature. To create the Do Not Call schedules, click on the blue box labeled Schedule Do Not Call. Here on the Do Not Call schedule, you can view your current schedules, edit any of your current schedules, remove schedules, or add a new. Today we will be adding a new schedule by clicking Add a New Schedule. When setting up schedules, there are a few boxes that need to be filled out. First, we recommend naming the schedule. Our schedule name today will be Meeting. After naming the schedule, you will want to set the start and end times. Our meeting is going to be from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m., so we will add these times so that we are not disturbed during the meeting. The next box deals with the frequency of the schedule. You can set this for once, daily, weekdays, Saturday, Sunday, weekends, and weekly. Since our schedule today is for a meeting, we will set the frequency to once. Since we selected the frequency as once, the software is going to need to know the date of the event. By clicking the date box, you should see a calendar pop up allowing you to select your meeting date. We will select tomorrow, Friday, September 4th. The last thing left to do is to make sure the Enable box is checked. The Enable box can be useful when setting up reoccurring events, and there is a day you want to skip the schedule. Just make sure to check the Enable box when you want the schedule again. Now that you have successfully completed the schedule, don't forget to click the Submit to update your DKS 2112. And we'll see you next time for more DoorKing Tech Tips.